she was following me around the aisle, so I had to put my camera on. Y'all know how I do. I put these dummies right on the camera with no problem. I just put my stuff in it just so I can rest my purse right there. I had this cracker following me around the store, so I have to record.
Yeah. What's her name? Excuse me. I'm thinking so. Yeah,
Yeah, that's it. It's a piece of game. This one looks like it's real.
Yeah.
You had went down
Down the
Hold on
what?
a second.
I'm sure you get more than this.
Are you recording me for some reason or another?
I record everything. My life is a recording. It seems like everywhere I go, I have people follow me through aisles and stuff. So, yeah, I do record, but it's not you and genuinely. It's just every time you're in my presence, you're just on the camera, but I record. You can go to my YouTube channel. I have one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not about you. It's just about
Alright.
me vlogging on a daily when I'm out.
But Miss Suzanne's son.
Coming that way?
Yeah, everywhere I go, it's like it's just where she's going. So I try to move, and I'm not gonna stop. God bless these demons.
And then she gonna ask.
She went behind me. She saw my camera rolling, and I'm not. This is what I do. I expose this satanic ass program these demons work. They're working for these damn devils.
You seen this lotion?
You say lotion?
Mm-hmm.
I ain't look for none. I mean, I can go and find some. If you want me to look and see if I see some.
What's this?
That's my caramel peanut crisp clusters.
All right, yourself.
Hello.
Take that, the accessories. Would it be in this hour?
Let's see.